Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change Wix form submission email address. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once inside, go to one of your sites. Then, click on Select Sites. Now, once in, on the left panel, go to Customer and Leads. Then, from the options, select on Forms and Submissions. Here, you can see your different forms. So just go and choose the one where you want to change the email submission address. So just go and click on the three dots beside that form. Then go to Form Notifications. Now once inside, scroll down until you're here in the Notifications and Automation section. Here, there's an Get an Email when a form is submitted option. So to change the email address, what you need to do is to click on this Edit button beside it. Now it will bring you to the Automation section or Editor. For here, you will see an action which is send an email. So just go ahead and click on that. Then a left panel will appear. Now, scroll down until you're here in the Set Recipient section. So click on that. Now you can add in a recipient. You can choose from emails from the trigger, contacts, collaborator roles, or other recipients. For here, I'm just gonna choose on contacts. So now, you can choose an email or a contact that you want to use for this form, or you can go ahead and create a new one so that you will have an option to add in a new email address. So just go ahead and select one. Once done, click on this add button, and there you have it. You now have your new recipient. Once everything is done, click on apply so that your changes will be saved. Next is to just go and publish your changes on the top right corner. And that's just basically it. That's how you change an email submission address in Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.